Yes, guys, it's here again when Chef Reid and Chef Alexander with another updated bun recipe. So today, that one vegan, completely vegan, no eggs, guys. You understand? So first, you see right here, so we have a pound of flour, pound of count of flour.
Yes,
yeah,
guys.
Well sieved and everything already. And now we have the spices. We have cinnamon, mixed spice, bun softener, baking powder, salt, and clove. So now we're gonna add this to the
Flour mixture. Yes, guys.
Everything.
Using a whisk to get it properly mixed in, right? Everything nice and mixed up.
Alright, so get in there, look at that beauty. Alright guys, so now I'm going to catch a drift. So now I'm going to move on to the wet ingredients. So watch what I go on. So first, I'm going to use a stainless bowl.
Yes, guys. And leave it down below and tell us what you're having for the Easter.
I'm going to add a half cup of wine. Half cup. We have 8 ounces of sugar, guys, that we're going to add. So this bun only going to consist of 8 ounces of sugar. And remember, the wine have a little sugar texture, kind of sweet. So
yes, guys, the wine already has sugar. So if you want the bun to be sweeter, you can add the sugar to your liking. But this is how the customer requests this bun, right?
Alright, guys, so we're going to give this a thorough mix
to get all the sugar mixed in with the wine. Alright guys, so this is going to take some work to mix out.
But before we move, we're going to add the jam.
Yes, guys.
2 tablespoons of jam we're using, guys. And we're using grape jam this time around.
Yes, guys, so we're going to mix out this, and when we finish mix everything properly, we'll come back so forward. Yes, guys.
Yeah, guys, so right now, I'm going to add the malta to this.
Yes, guys.
So as you can see, the sugar well mixed out.
Yes, guys, and we're using 1 bottle of malta.
Remember, this is a vegan bun. Right. Along with that, I'm going to add in
the butter.
The melted butter.
Yes, guys.
And remember, bear in mind, it's 2 ounces
of melted butter.
So I can set this aside, add the raisin to the flour mixture, and then add wet to dry. So watch where I go on. You don't have to move, guys. Just take it in. So come back with the yaba.
Back again with that yaba. Adding the raisin.
The skin, huh?
Yes, guys, and by now you must know the purpose of adding the raisin to the flour, but I'm just going to tell you for all the persons that are new. So you add the raisin to the flour to get the raisin evenly distributed within the bun so that it don't sink to the bottom as well, right?
Alright guys, so now we're going to add the wet to dry.
Yes, guys.
And we're going to add it gradually.
And if you're a female and doing this, and you want some strength, you can just ask your husband or whoever you have at home manly strength to mix in this part for you, or if you can do it yourself, why not, right? Yes, guys, so we're gonna catch you guys again when the bun is properly mixed.
I'll catch you in the back when the bun mixed out properly, I should say, and then we're gonna add in vanilla and the rose and almond.
Yes, guys.
So forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so now we're going to add the spices. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon rose and almond.
Yes, guys.
1 tablespoon vanilla. And 1 tablespoon browning.
Yes, guys, and the browning all depends on the color of the bun that you want. So if you want it darker, when you add the 1 tablespoon of browning, you can always add a next tablespoon if you choose to, right?
Alright guys, so now the oven now heat up already.
Yes, guys, the oven is preheating at the moment, and we're going to bake this at an oven temperature of 180 degrees Celsius and 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yes, so
Hold on guys, we're going to bake this. Let me repeat again. We're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and you can check it at that hour mark, right? So we're going to throw this out in the bun pan. So forward.
Yes guys,
this is it, a 42-ounce bun. Yes, so we're going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's go.
Yes guys, so we're gonna add this to the oven right now.
Yes guys, right? So see you guys in 1 hour and 10 minutes time, and do not, I repeat, do not open the oven during that time. So forward. Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, right? So just going to give it a check, and it's at that hour mark. Clean guys, clean. So we're just going to allow this to cool down and get on with the glaze. Let's go.
Yes guys, so now we're gonna add a tablespoon
of jam. Yes guys, and leave it down in the comment section if you want to see us do a yeast bun as well.
1 teaspoon of water.
Yes guys, look at that coming together nicely, right?
Half teaspoon sugar. Now we're gonna give this a whisk.
Stir it in guys, and allow it to come together as one, right? Look at that coming together nicely guys. Beautiful.
Alright guys, so now when you catch it, the next time when you see a glaze, you have to use up the bun. So forward.
Yes guys, so it's time for the glaze. Look at that. Lovely guys, and remember you want to add the glaze lightly. We're going to put the glaze everywhere, not just on the top, right?
Most people normally glaze the top of the bun only, but we glaze all the way around.
Yes guys, we want that nice sheen.
The 4 corner and the 2 edge.
Everywhere.
Look at that beauty.
Yes guys, some don't know to get your drift. We're gonna see you in the back again when the bun is properly cooled, and we're slicing it up and putting in that cheese. So forward.
Yes guys, so now we're gonna cut in on the bun.
Yes guys, so that you guys can see what's going on. Lovely guys, look at that. Beautiful. Lovely, right? We're going to just add our cheese now.
Cheese around cut the next slice.
Alright guys, feeling bougie, want a next slice? No problem.
Bear in mind the bun's still warm.
Yes guys.
So we just have to say we are cutting it because we can't wait.
Look at that. Beautiful, right? Guys, it's really warm. I can feel the warmth on my hand. Look at that guys. Beautiful, right? Lovely guys. Right, so this is the end of the video guys, or bun and cheese for the Easter. If you enjoyed this video, leave it down in the comment section. If you're Try the recipe, let us know as well. And this is it. Here guys, a rotation. Lovely, right? So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?